The treacherous three.
1, 2, 1, 2, party people in the place. We want to get everything live, all the way live in the place to be. My name is MC Kumo D from the Treacherous 3. LA Sunshine and Special K is in the house, but they said they're not going to come out unless they know everybody want them out. Now, if y'all want LA Sunshine and Special K to come out, let me hear you say, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on.
Oh, yeah, as you can see, MC Special K on the microphone at this time. There's a 30
1, 2.
cooling out on the south, my man, LA. As you can see, there's only 2. There are 3 of us. LA is just a little shy. If y'all want LA Sunshine to come on out, let me hear you say,
Come on, come on.
say, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Take 1, take 2, doing the do for you and the whole crew. We are the lecturers, perpetuous, fresh, treacherous 3 MCs. Kumo D, Special K, and yours truly, the 369, the drop of the dime, LA Sunshine, guaranteed to rock, shock, and blow your mind. We gonna do it up in the place to be. As y'all can see, we ain't got but 2 microphones. We gonna try to have a little fun anyway. So if y'all ready, let's get a little cooperation. Say ho! Say ho! Let's go! Check this out, y'all.
If you want, you call me.
Special K, and I am Sunshine, and don't forget my man
Kumo D.
and we're the treacherous 3. We gonna rock from the bottom to the T.O.P. Well, it's a brand new beat
And a brand new rock. Kumo D.
and LA Sunshine,
Something that to your ear.
so everybody cheer and listen to the number 1 MCs of the year.
You say we try.
When I was did it, I was done.
We moved
This is the people that we are number 1.
Now we're back, now we're back.
Now we're back for more. Hot to give the party people what we have in store.
So let's play the game.
Let's play the game.
Let's rock around and keep it the same. Like a lunge, mud, crunch. And this is the way we're rocking a bunch. If we ain't all well, the captain ain't crunch.
Muhammad Ali never do a punch.
The Brady's never came up in a punch. And at 12 o'clock, you know you don't eat lunch. It's like a whack, back, double back. Ha! This is the way we rock back to back. If we ain't all well, the day's swag.
What could they possibly tell us? What do we lack?
Say no, you can't, because a matter of fact, because we're right on time and we're so exact. It's like together,
Forever.
together, forever. And this is the way we rock all together. Do it. Do it. Ha! Yeah! Say ho! Say ho! Say ho! 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 Let's rock the show, let's rock the show, young ladies, on the go now, and all the ladies, all the ladies in the house say ow, say ow. You don't stop. And homeboys, make some noise. Homeboys, make some noise. And let me hear you say ho! Say ho! Let's rock y'all. Let's rock y'all. Party people in the place to be. Treacherous 3 MCs on the wheels of steel. DJ Easy Lee. We got 2 mics having a little fun. Well, let's rock from the bottom till we hit the top.
Well, let's give them a taste of the hip-hop rock.
Well, I can hit to the rhythm till I'm ready to hop.
And I can hop to the rhythm till I'm ready to rock.
Well, I can rock to the rhythm till I'm ready to stop. And we can stop till we're ready to rock. Well, I can dance to the rhythm till I'm ready to move.
And I can move to the rhythm till I'm ready to groove.
And I can groove to the rhythm till I'm ready to prove that we can prove. Well, we can make it move. Well, I can breathe to the rhythm over other MCs.
MCs to the rhythm with the ready to be.
With ease to the rhythm, we'll make you free. And we can free. Till you all say please. Remember me to the rhythm, I'm Kumo D.
Remember me, Special K at the T.O.P.
Remember me, Sunshine, and we'll agree. Nobody rocks hood like Treacherous 3 because K is for cool. And S for Sunshine and Special K because they're right on time and with originality and all our rhyme because the final rhyme is an MC crime. We rock the house without a doubt. The young ladies say we guarantee to turn it out. And if you don't believe it, you just check out how we rock for you. So get funky. Funky. Ha! Yeah! Somebody scream! You don't stop. That body rock. Young ladies, rock the house, y'all. And rock guys, rock the house, y'all. Now throw your hands in the air. Just throw your hands in the air. And if you want to rock, shout, turn the party out. Somebody say, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Don't you stand to stare, young ladies, rock the house, y'all. So let's rock from the bottom to the switch tree. We're rocking the house, so let's release the beat. I'll re-rock the rock and re-hit the hop. And remake the cake, cause a major earthquake.
Now we take the tape.
make the back go. And we did this to make this go.
Re-dip the dive, and re-socialize, and re-shine the sun, or remain number one.
You move, and reach by the food. Every now and then that makes you all get down. And I'll reject the tick and make the tick tock. And re-rig the rig and make the rig rock.
Retreat the bleed, arrive on the beat, and re-open the door and give you much more.
Our redos were done and reach number one. Every rhyme I rhyme and pass it all the sunshine.
So clap your hands into the beat, come on, just clap your hands into the beat, y'all. While I'm a late sunshine of the 3 MCs, the my zodiac sign is up Pisces, so rock the house to all the rock shop, yeah, turn it out.
And I'm Special K, I'm on the go. My zodiac sign is a Virgo. Virgos rock the house. For all the Virgos rock the house. Huh? Well, I'm Kumo D, the king of disco, and my zodiac sign is a Leo. Leo rock the house. To all the Leo rock the house, y'all. And Aries rock the house. Centaurus the bull rock the house. And Gemini rock the house. And Cancer rock the house. And Libra rock the house. And Scorpio rock the house. Sagittarius rock the house. And Aquarius rock the house. And Capricorn rock the house.
Lansing Street, step lively, and watch the closing doors.
I can't express it any plainer that I'm an entertainer. People call me Dane, but my real name is Dana. I came here just to put you on, cause I'm taking the rap thing world by storm. In the rap art made a change that no other out there can claim. Now what I've done will make you laugh, so don't you ever be offended by the words I have. I'll make you tickle, make your butt wiggle. You'll tell your friends and they'll chuckle and giggle. Now this little story called the Lansing Street is the place where clothes are bought and people meet. Each city has a place that's quite the same, even though it might go by a different name. The Lansing Street, the Lansing Street, the Lansing Street. The story can't be beat. Well, I went to the Lansing Street to buy some wares, even though I already had on fresh gear. Going to the store to buy a Kango. I took out my wallet and my family roll when 3 females walked up to me. There was a white, a black, the other Chinese. The white girl said, "My name is Dawn and I love your gear by Louis Vuitton." The black girl said, "My name is Jane," and she couldn't keep her hands off the fresh gold chains. The Chinese girl, her name Suchi, she was fogging up the 86 Gucci's. I thought they wanted to conversate, then they all pulled out a 6-shooter tray 8. 3 fresh females, who would have thought? They tried to rob me, I almost got caught. I stood there for a minute, tried to concentrate. I tried to think of a way for me to escape. No one in sight, one thing to do. You mean you ran day to day? Then right I flew up the block and through an alley. Yo, I go dog my fresh new valley. I ran through some water and some dogs, but I don't give a damn, I wouldn't be there, Vic. Oh no, not me, not while I had feet. So then I dipped over to Orchard Street, around the corner, past the brick house, and right in back of me, drooling from the mouth. Yes, them 3 females in hot pursuit. Then all of a sudden they began to shoot. I plundered, all the shots thundered.
Where did you run?
That's what I wondered. So confused, my head still in the wind. A sign up the street that read dead end. Now here they came, just as plain as day, running down the street like 3 the hard way. I approached the sign, their tempo grew, and then the girl screamed out,
"Yo, damn it, don't move."
They continued strong, like the quiet storm. Lover boy, run everything that you got on. Run your Gucci, your Louis and your fresh gold chains, and your Bally shoes. We want it all from you. Now Max this move, what could I do? Nowhere to run, no one to run to. The girls just didn't know who I am, but I knew a way to get out this jam. I stood in the face, took all the loud racket, opened up my Azolico jacket, printed on my shirt just as bold and plain. I'm not the one, the rapper Dana Dane. Well, the girls called the message, it was plain to see. They might as well have said,
Dana Dane, you're free.
Cause Jane came by, she winked the eye, and Dawn came over, grabbed me at my fly. And that's about the time when Suchi came near. She kissed me on my cheek and blew in my ear. Each one of them trying to grab my hand, screaming, leaving to the other.
Anything's my man.
I knew it, they blew it. Punches were thrown, they got into it. They rumbled, battled, wrestled like cattle. She made me do it, they began to tattle. Swollen eyes and busted lips, cause I think all of them got pistol whipped. But I don't care. Do you hear what I say? I just wiped off my valleys, went on my way, and they're still not friends to this very day. Ew, heard that.
Hey, Jane, what you doing out here, man?
What's up, guy? I'm chillin', man. Yo, I just came from the block. 3 girls tried to rob me.
What? Girls
Fly girls tried to rob me.
Get out of here,
They
man.
pulled out 3 guns.
Joking, you joking.
Black and Chinese girls.
Wait a minute.
Yo, they was fresh. They was real good. Yo, look at this nigga. He's fresh.
Go ahead. Alright, who's next? You got the record? Yo, Mike, you here? Mike, this is a 3-time winner, 2-time first place winner, 1-time second place winner. He's the leading MC in the semi-professional competition, Mike G.
Alright, 1, 2, top, you got it. Let it go.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Yes, yes, so. Yes, the will of the show. Well, if the devil never five. Fix the book, you gotta get up, get down, stop messing around. You go ball to the ball, but ain't put it in your pocket, rock it to the fucking do. Ball to the ball, but ain't the rock it to the pocket, get the rocket to the end. Now I'm to tell you about my soul. Well, if the devil rock it, ooh, look at the ball, a jelly pop. Shot the house, hit the dead, keep on, ooh, go shot the house. I gotta stop a rocket to the phone, it's down the hill, you never get down. When you stop in the rock, you go my name by G, open up the D, and I'm the N to the I, K-E-P, rock it to the funky beat. You better believe, you know the homeboys in the place. I rock the bass to the bass, ha ha. It's in your face, I see. Shot the house, it's my mother master dog, ha, on and on. It's my mother master dog, rockin' on, master dog. Definitely rock the city. I rubber down a rock it, shot it to the funky sound. You gotta get up, get down, rock the melody, right. You gotta do the left boogie, do it all well. Do the funky beat, do the devil the hell. I wear my name is like G, open up the D. I gotta see the rock the people with the ladies beat. I wear my man Zay, ha, Jazzy D, I take it up, Jazzy D, rockin' the beat, beat the funky beat, Jazzy D, rockin' it on, I got a lot. I put the do it, I got a lot, who can you do it? I get it up to the depth, you know you never won't rep when you go to fast, don't fast. I take you up high, I rock it to the beat, the rhythm that song, the in the eye, the rock, the in the eye, the rope, get on the mic with the golden stove, everybody in the house, all the females, like a pretty thing, like the girl, don't take a road trip around the world, see all the farmers, put your dog in more, rock it to the beat, on and on, rock it the beat. Start stick, y'all, I rock it on and on, rock it to the funky beat, to the break the door, I got it out. I got it that high, I got it that with the most, and that's high. Let me tell you a story about the coke, the more suck the more, the almighty, reality. So my own voice, as you can see, I got it that with the record, cutting it up. I Jimmy Bob, watch the big, fucking it up, and all the party people in the place. I rock with the funky bass, Hollywood, shocking the house, and my man Hollywood, shocking the house, and everybody in the place to be. Let me tell you a little story about the G.O.P. It was a dance to take, it was a dance to fight. I rock it to the funky beat, make it cry from a line. Master Dog, one summer ago, cutting up the funky baby, the way it goes. Big KC on the mix, C, rock it to the funky beat, and you better believe it was the man I see, rocking it off, signing off, y'all.
Yay! All right.
Introducing the world's greatest entertainer, Mr. Dynamite, the amazing Mr. Please Please himself, the hardest working man in show business. Ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show.
I'm swinging solo on the mic, the platform is my ground. The mic, it is my pillow, my DJ's a sound. So do the bidding as you bid, get high as you can. Rock pizza, kamikaze, Commodore in command. This is my beat. My beat is like a force, no other my architect does. My engineer is in the rear, and Lord is our cuz. Ass shot is over scratch, no one can match his bill. He gets outrageous overcut, and I'm the swing of the deal. Now, Lord's our new addition. We're on a mission, this is my beat. As I'm respected, well protected, it's you I have neglected. My beat you cannot match, no scratch. You're now infected as he turn over power on the hour. He's great. Shotty Shamel, that is his name. On the turntables, my plate. My name is Father Yo, don't bother. Here's my autograph. I'm not enthusing, never losing, but choosing who gets the last laugh. What do you mean? This is my beat. That's what I'm saying. You've been waiting to hear me. Father is not flaking. You'll turn your volume up. You will be in shock. I'm not from Hollis, Queens. Barack is my block. And before these they make noise, we are chill with the boys. MCs who come in my face, I call them all decoys. Don't cut me too hard. I'm good as can be. With issues in my mouth. FL means Father MC. Yo, kid, I'm half grown. Not seen it on my own. The stage is my palace, but the mic is my phone. Comprehend I am to rock. Real tape stop. Nation's best highlight. Most of that big crop. So potential to the world. The studios are in shot. Shotty and robbing me, the legend of hip hop. I raise no when I perform an entertainer. I'm well equipped, you battle me, your career is in danger. I got so many rhymes, I'm just adding another layer. People casting votes calling me for the mayor. I can not take the job or send that or heat. I'd rather get loose of this. This is my beat. MCs, I call all of the shots. Tim is my name, just before when I rock. My vocab is legit, no need for a dictionary. The Bible's here, I only read it when it's necessary. This you can quote, I wrote on my notes. I lived in ghettos, had dreams, but my dreams of the hope. But I'm here fulfilling dreams and fantasies that are true. I can take 20 brothers plus another 10. You take all, believe me, I'm hot. You can act like Ripley, believe it or not. People that be yelling, they be cheering me on. As I pull to my beat, this is my beat in my song. I have no pity as I rise to submerge. Time I'm killing while I'm chilling. I'm feeling I have the urge to devour every hour or minute. The clock don't tick. Smiley, the smiler is coming. He's well equipped. And Robbie is a threat. You can bet he's on the scratches I'm dictating. I haven't heard one. Who is this match? So watch your back, boy. Watch your back. I'm coming. Hitting so hard, paralyzing and stunning. Fresh out the back and left back. I'm schooling. Rulers of trades and rhyming. I'm ruling. This is my beat. That will come to your mind. If I follow MC, you wanna stop with rhymes. You would be so paranoid and then your heart would be shook. You think another took the fall, but you're dumb as your luck. But let me tell you, it was so I imposed on you a threat. Oh boy, I'm taking titles and bits, but you can bet cause I'm protruding and concluding. Parties I am diluting, dissecting, though resurrecting, even though I've been recruiting. Peasant beggar bumming of those I have anointed. Come forth and bow down just where my finger has been pointed. Oh father, don't you bother, I die to take this title. I'm killing and destroying all rappers will from recital. All my raps that you compress, I impose upon you laws. If you can handle it, dismantle it, boy, you face the floor. Head shout, kick your in pain, I retain. Again, the phone remain a clone, no much my kingdom. Sit down, leave me alone. Face the fact you cannot rap, they clap, I'm slapping your face. No fingerprints are on your body, so I'll waste my time. You've been complaining about the beats I've been restraining. Or fool nagging and bragging about the talent I'm proclaiming. Circulating, inflating, for my beats you've been obtaining. Raising and praising the crazy souls that I've been gaining. Pushing much power that will lead you to your death. For me, father, don't bother, don't mess with my best. I'm here taking titles, moving drops as they come. We are the freedom amongst streets, boy, back up, bum. I'm slaying and denying you away all of your rights. I've been a threat amongst society and won all my fights. Step down and leave your kingdom to me. Father the MC, Robin's all the faded shines, making him much greater. I'm standing by my side as the teacher, educator. MCs, I am the free one to agree, I destroy. I'm advertising, sodomizing those I treat as my boy. This is my beat.
Say, yo, baby, I told him to play this record for you. It's called The Veil of the Girl Who Had Sex Without a Birth Control Pill. Thought she was a queen by all the niggas she played, but then the doctor told her about a mistake she just made. There was a bun in the oven, a baby was due, and the girl tried to blame it on the whole damn crew. But every nigga she had said, the baby ain't mine, I don't want no kids, I ain't got no time. Lost it turned out, and in tears she fled, ran to her main man, and this is what she said. She said, you know it's your child, then she felt disgrace. He said, it's everybody's baby, bitch, get out my face. She felt hurt and confused, used and abused, cause she was only 14, and that was more bad news. Out of all of the mistakes, this was the worst she's made. No dollars in the pocket and no Medicaid. Day after day, she kept looking sad, and by the 4th month, she was really doing bad. See, her family left her, her boyfriend cut her off. He found another girl and moved up north. Had no time for the brother, too busy running wild. Strawberry got left with the fatherless child. 9 months later, her stomach was gone, but she had no dollars, and the child was born. No one around seemed to give her a damn, so the bitch put herself in the WIC program. Hard times in the life and the world on her back. Her banker even took his calendar back. So she went to prostituting because she had to make a living. No food for a baby on his first Thanksgiving. That's just one part of the shit. Just wanted to give you a little sneak preview. Look out for that shit. It's called Strawberry Queen by The Fearless. Check it out. See y'all later. Juice. Magic D in the house. Devastating ladies in the house. Louis knew the dance.
Life is my name and I'm down with the PG. We're on the uprise, living in reality. I do not wait long to hit you with the next song. Cause if you prolong, I believe it's wrong. Cause I'm provocative, and that's the way I choose to live my life. Upon the mic I won't refuse to go and do a show and say hello to all the pretty ladies of the 90s in the front row. I'm widely acclaimed cause of my name, and all the non-believers thought it was a game. But I'm here in the industry cause you were missing me, and now it's clear. Step off and don't try dissing me. Cruising in my limousine, I didn't stop till I got to the place to be. But wasn't there, y'all? I can't help myself to keep rocking the house in the place to be. But now I get sick, within 1004. Jam is in motion as my face hits the floor. Scream out the name of the one you adore. It's about 3:45. You wanna do more to the core, but now your back is sore. Sweat starts running down. You're trying to stop it, but there's no tissue around. Cause the music has a certain tone that makes you feel the bass grown to a portion that's known to be owned. Yeah, boy, I'm on the microphone now. Well, I grab the mic with a swiftness. Then I proceed to kick the gift. Get this grip. Some people refer to me as the minister, but on the other hand, some people say I'm sinister. Why is the question? Can you absorb the answer? Get off the floor, not a primary is the structure and the function, overcoming adversaries and leading to their destruction. Put it together over a dope track, loop the beat, and then it's back to your ear hole. So won't you grab a hold of the beat that's running through your veins? It's a rap thing. Is near, so never fear. I make it short and then receive a cheer from all the fellas and from the ladies too. Cause I'm exclusive, I never get bruised. Cause every hour over hour I write rhymes that combine in your mind and stick for a very long time. You'll be singing this and I'll be playing this just as long as I do not get dissed. My lyrics with this hip hop, what a combination. It's due to my education on music, spreading through the nation, and not just playing on your local music station. I plan to take this to the highest plateau, so move out my way, cause ayo, here I go. I'm standing at the top by myself, but I'm glad it's me and not nobody else. Cause I am the almighty and I do not live in Rumford. So rather take a chance and try to serve me. It only takes a second to hear what I am saying and understand me fully, so you know what I'm relaying to the crowd. Because the music is hyped. Don't try to battle me, go and take a flight, or better yet, fly under my wing. Cause like I told you before, it's a rap thing. We got a thing. It's a rap thing. We got a thing. You know what? It's a rap thing. You know what? We got a thing. It's a rap thing. You do a series of these things. It's a rap thing. I heard about you. If you try to imitate rap, you try to disobey. You try
try to get it exact. Well, that ain't the way you go about it. You gotta make up your own to be on the top list. Pull your alphabet from A to Z, just to make up a word that makes sense to me. So don't stand up close doing a New Jack swing, cause I'm here to let you know it's a rap thing. We got a thing. It's a rap thing. You know what? We got a thing. It's a rap thing. I'm cooler with the in the rap zone. I'm the grip, and yes, I'm on the microphone. Listen, and take some advice. I'm gonna pause and count it off twice. 1, 2. And here's the clue. This is the track, influenced by the old school. I'm not the tweet out, I don't do the wild thing. I'm the grip, and it's a rap thing. We got a thing. It's a rap thing. We got a thing. You know what? It's a rap thing. You know what? We got a thing. It's a rap thing. You know seriously, right? It's a rap thing. We got a thing. We got a thing. We got a thing. You know what?
I take a look at my P-back swatch. It's time to get play o'clock. And since I'm the butcher punk, I straight up figure the top notch. Better must watch out for all them begging for golden cuties. No one's to step in the jam, say you're ready, Freddy, do me. 6.5 hours, some makeup made up to pursue the man for AD and me R.E.G. Hoes out there, you know they got no memory, but I do. So yo, girl, you got me thinking, see, how days in the back and what's let you back in the day, y'all were dissing me. But check it out while I bring it back for free. The script is flip, I get butts and clips and slips. Buffalo butts and rhino butts, I rip. My HIP, HOP, be say like legit. Me and my boys, we go ahead and diss, and we don't quit. And Jezebel's out there, I'ma have to prohibit your vibe. Back in the day, what's like who they? Blazing blunt thinks that real is switch, heaven they. Who be this? Swinging on my DICK. Much airplay brought this me around your foul play. I'ma lay it on thick. Shrivel it up your little touche. Is somebody said foreplay? Be real. I'ma bring it back, Freddy, bring it in and tell them what it took to get played.
But I say, took a lot of ages to make the front pages. Now with the daily wages back that I get, I go get checked up, a check, then I jet back to the bank to pick up the payback. And that's not all I bring back. I bring back a hoe.
Freddy, tell them how you did that.
Straight up, a serenade and seat up in a rough cut. I whip up and snap down a dirty green flam on the sidewalk. Drop my text stick, I tell you enough shit. I can bet I raise that ass like cash. I grind those chits till they mash. Go ask the last after fake that. She got choked by my nana, got forsaken.
She got thrown out the pad, but naked.
Bring a hit about the methods and the modes I use to get played. Bet your rep, not slip, or should I guess it gets played? Better my shit on the radio, we want airplay. But I say, take a toke on it, but don't ask like the track. I get the scoop and not the scrap, so do not distract. In fact, I stroke 'em with the lash. I pass you to Reggie later. Never bring it fat and cross me on a fader. I played a hoa, camera jumping, no I dominate and knock 'em out for rape. But your wait, I will never hesitate when it's time to get played. West gets the west, I get wicked. Rip my jacket. East coast to west coast, I play hoes for hoes. So if you wanna sacrifice the orifice for dough, be my guest and be my weekend hoe.
Hey yo, pick up a tip from this pro. How to knock a nacho. Yo, HIP, HOP, better be bringing in some big dough. Cause if you got no dough, you get no hoe. So front money flow like you got dough on the hose will flow.
I break backs and twist spines and distance. I could just bruise and whiny, mountain, whiny, I guess play and sway that ass like a cradle. I'm able to freak clits and rip up a slit with my whip on top or underneath the master of the vigorous. Pounding, increase the pace when you start howling. Made in season for the wolf and PLD howling.
Straight up, and ayo, that's the way. These are my boys on the block. Get play. Foul tricks and those skills that we used to get play. Freddy will rep, not slip. Oh shit, I guess he gets play. I stick a stack of liquor in my locker just for replay. The beat back, you're more ass, but I hope they get no foreplay.
To the cutie with the rhino, but she gon' get played. Hey yo, you front?
Well, never get played.
y'all ready to do this? Cause we got to show the non-believers. Yo, man, I'm ready, so let's do this. Smooth, grooving, Mark the Mellow Fella is cool and got the gift of wit to keep your backbone moving. On the microphone, I take total control. The jam is dope, straight from the intro. Listen, there be no booze and hisses, no competition. Cause Mark is on a mission, doing my thing to make the party people sing and swing my new tune. The place is like a romper room, first rank entertainer, nothing plainer. The only thing that changed is the money and the fame. Not the attitude, because I don't get rude, but if I have to, then I'll just get smooth. Too hot to try, can't, you gotta even pop. MC Mark Love rocks the spot. DJ Rob keeps you going cause he's showing and proving that the two is so smooth and moving.
Somebody move, sound so smooth. Somebody move, sound so smooth. Somebody move, sound so smooth. Somebody move, sound so smooth.
No, you can't have one without the other, my brother. Cause to add one more, man, he might get smothered by the M-O-N-T-E, the rap guardian. DJ Rob likes to party hard, and on the dance will get your utmost attention. Grab the mic and kick the new sensation. Not without my cuz house D Todd Knots, it's complete. Now I gotta make the bass drop, yo. Cause I come from the town of Mount V, making plenty of the D.O.E. You can't sneak away from the unforgettable, also insatiable fellow. Shines like the gold, smooth as mellow yellow. Now you know we're showing cause we're doing the doing. Yo, DJ Rob, grab the wax and play the music. When push comes to shove, Lamont loves to go off. Make a lot of noise with great support. Boys and girls, get up. Listen to the two and you'll never be fed up. Like Tina Turner rolling down a river. I got the rhymes to deliver. Make your body quiver, shiver, whatever. This is the scoop, we got the flavor, of course, like a Fruit Loop. All you lifting cup of soup, cause it's hot. S-I-L-K, smooth hits the spot. Drop to your knees, yell out please to the man that does it with ease. I like kind of brother, a smooth kind of lover. You know the words that the girls can get enough of. And like, excite, do it up right. In fact, to be exact, I never liking what I'm doing. Cause it's so brand new and not trying to brag and boast. But I'm letting you know that I flow like the water down your throat. So don't choke, cause my DJ Rob is no joke. Joke.
Somebody move, it sounds so smooth. 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 Somebody move, it sounds so smooth.
So let's start the race at an equal pace. And if you bedazzle a mess, operate the mixer, a fancy crease, and the cookies teeth. You toy MCs about love and peace, but if you get out of line with just one behind, step to us and you get done. Come on and get some. 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 You ask why we named ourselves Cookie Crew. Well, just think what a cookie really means to you. Food for thought, sweet and humble. But these kind of cookies, they don't crumble, no bluff. True enough, we attract a lot of biters, but that's okay. We just blow them away. And after that, if they still act whack, they get a blast from the rhyming gun. Come on and get some. They get a blast from the rhyming gun. Come on and get some. 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 Yo, this is Q&D, and it's time for 89. Picking up the pieces you bums left behind. And if you don't want to battle, step off, or come on and get some right now, suckers. Come on and get some. 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 Come on and get some.
Please put down your weapon. You have 20 seconds to comply. You now have 15 seconds to comply. You now have 5 seconds to comply. 1. I'm not authorizing physical force.
The bomber awaits, rises, creates an evil structure, a terror conductor, a lethal weapon constructed by cretins, crazy minded man, maniacal Satan. Due to a kill blood must be spilled, millions dying, crescendo crying, not for the spying. The plans are locked away, returns to base. Oh no, no way. Violence loving it, the thought of dropping it, mass destruction at the push of a button. Think about the aftermath. Who gives a violence though? To devote it to dropping it. Megaton bomb, no chance of rocking it. Who's the system? Death we give them. Hell returns them. Walking in limbo, creating chaos, vagina syndrome. Heaven's got no room, they're in the middle. Sarcastic reaper, still don't speak up, no pandemonium. 20 seconds to comply. 20 seconds to comply.
20 seconds to comply.
I bet you think you're pretty smart, huh? I bet you think you're pretty smart, huh? Think you can outsmart a bull?
Mafia leaders underworld too. We gotta cane them, the skanking days are through. Torturing this day, bringing back ice days. A criminal's crime, a force below they. This ain't a manuscript, it's a scroll. Scroll to devise the claim of your soul. Inflict pain, I inject like a viper. Mind for killing, like a psychic sniper. Lust for blood, and I crave for ammo. Darkest of nights, drowning in sorrow. This ain't a game, exercise of reality. Dying in death, oh what a calamity. Insane maniac, brain ready to flow. Where the sucker stood, ain't none but a hole. Jesus Christ, no blood in the decks. And a prophecy, in effect is sex. Psycho running round, gunning everybody down. Sucker hide
possibility. And now the sequel. 20 seconds was the deal. Have you complied with this new phenomenon?